celebrity tunaona tu pale kwa TV. Kesi tofauti.
Hata leo nimefurahi sana niko TV live. Yes.
Yes. Now, we are talking about individual rights.
Yes.
And Katiba at 14.
Yes.
Now, can you provide an overview of the 2010 Kenyan Constitution?
Yes.
How it has changed the landscape of individual rights in Kenya?
Kalo kwa na individual rights. Abante banje to kwa na chapter 6, leadership and integrity. Ndo bade ngende katiba yetu to kwa chapter 4. Ebugate 41 articles. Wachakera article 19 ogende paka article 60 ya constitution yetu. Echina nere go deal na individual rights. Ego teba keregento buna go chakera ngonde bwensi atake na bako genda court afaili kina in whichever way, because ilikare court yabale watanga pakoli kama sakarobe ke petition buya Willy Mutunga, the first chief justice under the new constitution ya tebetenga no likali sakara na boko lira court.
Okay.
A court yetegerere igunga your rights have been infringed eruchi order. These rights chapter 4 go deal na rights ebwate binte binge sana. Ngo golenga access to information in article 35 ngo igore article 37 ngo right yo go picket to gonya gukwa naga all the time jenzi ba gutumianga the constitution allow us to demonstrate nebo the rights of abantu bali ba civile ba bwati una basigari article 49
na bado bagenda to kuliki kuna jenzi in fact to jana the trend has been free huko.
yeah and actually there is what tokoro kanga habeas corpus. Bring the body umuntu buna okwa inonga ekinanko beko kyalenge because one tamanyiria sale, so that because it's suspected ingana basigari bamubwadete so that ale tubate basi mumubegete onye karororo because ingwete ngatara talk tararo kana for almost 2-3 days. Igobono katiba John nebwate totanyare kwana tukole all these articles go chakira article 19 paka article 60 kere yeme bwate rights aina kinare gotebiri last time nga abantu baitumba gweneta kumanyanga tugwenda kuikaransa toite each tobaeleze nga ninki, you know, there is an article nga human dignity. You know, abantu bande sachine bali kumanyanga nko role ranyana abashike baitu bakwenda Saudi Arabia bachi gukora ibintu. The constitution protects abantu baitu even from that. Again, there is freedom for security, from security. Ebintu gete bili toko take for granted. So all those are individual rights. Chira se katiba yetu. Bona.
Now, umete part of what we are talking about individual rights. When you're I have freedom of speech. I have
actually nebwate paka freedom of the media. Aye katiba nego protected. There is freedom of the media to air and just a minute. That is Article 34. I just want to be sure so that I don't mislead anyone. And freedom of expression, Article 33. So Nabogocha or express, you know, the Constitution allows you we express. No nyana as media no protected. Ngano what the freedom yao protected. Under the rights jirase katiba. So the constitution recognizes nonyana igasi okora.
Now, ndeta kuira maiga kidogo. I remember there was a time the history korumaiga. There was a time the first president of the Republic of Kenya, Jomo Kenyatta, chitaka change constitution because Paul Ngei abwetu obachol. And the constitution was saying you want to buy for the next 5 years. So you had to change the constitution so that Paul Ngei achor mambiae. I remember the Moi time, engakia Moi, engakinero, when opposition started coming up, he went to the office na kawambia no person atasimama presidential nini kama yuko KANU. Na yetu ndiye alikuwa KANU. So if you are not in KANU, the constitution says hausimami presidential party. Some things like those chiaringi koba some power. Maybe naoye ikirete wakaamua koreta the 2010 constitution. Maybe what was the main motive yoko nyara koreta the 2010 constitution? Na so far yanyarire gwikirana magani ali babwate
umaite into twabete colonized no Muingereza. Muingereza tabwate constitution. Tabwate unwritten constitution. So ekero twaswete, you know, as Africans, our founding fathers, Jomo Kenyatta, nini, a constitution yetu wale adapt. Tuachite Lancaster Conference, tuwalikere constitution yororo. So ekero ya achite, yale koba amended raisi. Because you know mbagwate numbers in parliament. Na benga bone binte bagwete parliament buna finance bill. Na boyale ko baraisi ko amend constitution buna bale gwete finance bill yeito. You know baragwete because you know by currency the president yabateviri wakwa na article 2A liba amended 1982 is the famous one. Na ndeka robati te baka repeal just before the 1992 elections. Eye yale ko na parliament yaba by simple majority. Noro chaba na siasa baito, noro chaba jumbe baito. E president ke ko ende batenga gente ke change abako kama bibagende parliament bageti. Na noro je di parliament abantu bale ko ba nominated aba deshimiwa buna mulu mutisia kiika kimani bali moya go tebi bate baga yaitire. So yale ko ba rais yake go change katiba ngakiria. The best thing about the 2010 constitution Neringa era kongwake koye amend.
Okay.
That is the strongest point of it because it had its own challenges. Na indabano noroche it was colonial, we were just coming back, biale ko copy and paste. Inki Uganda yabeka, inki Nigeria yabeka, bagenda bage ko bigo bakereta. Mbali go chakumanyanga, you know, from 1960 kanto to 2020 challenges cha 2020 nechi now. You know, there'll be different things.
Now goko ligereria aso manyevu ao na amatuko kwanyarire ko basense moyeli chiko maybe goko ligereria what are the most significant achievements chanyarire ko korokana gari aso kunyara go protect the individual rights according to the constitution of 2010 ekera bone yarete to protect the individual rights.
The first thing that has really helped Yabanto, and Toko take it a lot for granted, is that freedom of expression. Keringa, you know, Johan, Navongo Sokaga, Nteving Ruto must go.
Yes.
And nothing happens to me. You know, Gen Z take some of these things for granted. You can just say, no never Kenya by get Wakachakole, Maribago Teranga Moi must go. Didikale and Yarengego. Oh, on the Charles in Jonjo. Naigeta Sago Tevanga, it's treasonable to even imagine the death of a president. To imagining a president. Treason is one of the capital offenses Kiryogo itu by hanging alongside murder and robbery with violence. Oko imagining a president neku, ikobono kualengere treason uwenete gusibu. So those are things really no nyolete no nyenjo janyone kara kubwatunga by currency ra segete nga they want to overthrow the government. Matukai bina biringa, you know, sedition, treason, mbiyo. So that yabande bakoira bako take a lot of things for granted, especially the freedom to what their expression. Ekinaki one of the biggest positives out of the 2010 constitution. You can write anything na indeba no through social media ya kinire, people can go anywhere abantu bako record clip umuntu ramu mwishimiwa just in the you know, of course where your right stops the other right starts. So that thing gocha kuramaga Joan, you know, but even then there is that expression is really been the positive point. And then the growth of petitions. People can go to court under that same chapter 4. You have Okiya Omtata and Dr. Magare, and these other very many people. Rikale,
Dan
Stanomari, my friend. You Kaleridia, Nkwale Koboka tu Goko and Koti, go challenge anything. Eva Koboling locus. Unless your right yao ya very infringed, nobody mokugao usikende kiao directly go affect na likuwa lekogenda court. But after the new constitution came into being, ekabanga ondebuensi na ikuwa rolete bono Okiya Omtata akufile vinge on public interest. Oroche.
Yes,
Sasa.
it's okay. All right, asante sana mwantu muriyererio KCTV ogendrete kubwate murobiro gwenyoni emambiare radio studio nigo mubwate mwakiri Wilkins Ochoki togendrete gukwanira igoro ya individual rights, especially at Katiba at 14. Yes. Kwa kwandira igoro ya vokio mtatu.
Bono lirikale before 2010 nkwale konyara go challenge any decision ye government. It was a bit problematic because you watch abunango.
Yes.
That is what the courts used to ask. Just strike out even though. Bono woji kogendanga kende kiabeire, you know, it wasn't. Alafu some other things vile constitution our rights to wenda tumia nende tutarakora. Even though we byokorusia waheshimiwa wa governor, MCA, recalling them. I don't know. We need to possibly start working on that.
It is possible.
It's provided for. So when they recall some of these non-performing officials,
okay. Wow, that one of course definitely I do agree with the same. Now, togosuka go chimotu maybe kerto kwanera about the individual rights. Onya mantambaro banyarire wetera the hardest time when it comes to freedom of expression. I'll talk about William Samuel Ruto and the family, Charlene and Rachel. Abumba libate biukerege tubakurigyo le unasema oi mimi siwezi handle Rigathi Gachagua. But at the same time, this brings me to the next question. How effective has the judiciary been in upholding and enforcing individual rights in Kenya? Especially, I remember hata nani Chebukati alitaka bana kiti ya judiciary in Kenya, and so like, aki try, I swear try, jaribuni hivi.
You know, number one, you can, any Kenyan feeling aggrieved, for being trolled, kuramwa, can always file a suit for defamation. I successfully filed a suit for Mheshimiwa Rene Nyakerario Mayaka, who was being abused by one of the bloggers in Nyamira. And we succeeded in getting a good amount. But the problem, Joan, is Montoguna Charlene Ruto. Achake go soa evina. Go soa evina paka visinywa soko gaenda gochia, because you know she'll put maybe a photo and everyone abuses her. Now it will make her advocate so busy. She's like the only one who's going to now, you know,
file cases left, right, and center.
I wish to commend because I see even our governor here in Kisii. I see what happens in the groups, WhatsApp groups. Montako kabolio morama kabisa. Mheshimiwa Donya, my friend, you know,
Osoro,
your neighbor Osoro, Akoboko. So you are not going to come and you know sue everyone. It's a chinde, you know, Ekaroko at these positions of leadership. Ekarole first daughter, Ekarole first lady. It comes with that scrutiny, and you know, Nabera backfire because one. Ochaka ko soero monto utavuga tivesa wako mosoera asiki onyore chivesa busa I apologize. And you know, some of these people are anonymous. Ogo chikumuliki konyora asale tali monto ramanye because abantu ko so abali nebintu biri tokoro kachisiudo account monta oko bokera Joan Mambi okorama usayiko
oko ya tegula wangu we that hata sisi in media tu Facebook ameamua zake zimempeleka kwako
so of course I think with some of these positions there is more scrutiny because to imagine, for example, my mom Nyamira mahali montacha akomorama usayiko tamo manyeti, you know, it can't happen. So that for these positions, Rigadi, Nani, these are people whatever ine job go sign for ngaki tarikero mondora wanche na ndebono of course naboko ba aggrieved nga kwaramiru ora agenda also because there is the criminal element naboko in this station yoli ke otamondo yotamire abwatu cyber crime ngwaro juna okale kubwatu tokakanga ne abanena agwateru, but it was something else area abwatu akairukoti. So you can still go to the police station, report montabwatu, you know, under cybercrime law, naende na boko mosoera in a civil process. I apologize was I work and damages. But you can't keep on doing that. Akero mosoera na akero kora muna abantu 2,000 na kiogo cha wakora.
But now tiganti kareka was a judiciary mana mostly maybe bigambero the only time we felt like they've stood with us in time wanasemanga it is unconstitutional. That statement means a lot to Kenyans, you know. But it becomes hard when we see that the government doesn't implement what the court is saying. Maybe as a judiciary, to what level have you tried to protect rights zetu kama individual?
You know, judiciary, unlike in Europe, Europe na jaji ko manyanga nkikia beire erangelie file make a determination. In Kenya paka parties tokuba kanga public spirited individuals bagende court ba petition batebenga egenteke mbobekere this media law, this security law egenteke mbobekere so that ye court ever moved make a decision so that the judiciary has been ability keroro na inde you know kawaida other than stay ye government yanyorete in respect of the Finance Act 2023 serikali, and I'm hoping Dorcas Oduor, the new AG, is going to do a better job than Muturi, because Muturi for some reason no nyani to feeling and I'm misadvised the president because even though you know we ko embarrass serikali we embarrass the president. Judiciary area colleagues based on gento kialetirwa sebale. So that for me, I'll commend the judiciary because into what the judges very avaremu, especially in the constitutional and judicial review division in Nairobi.
Yes, one of them, nasema mwenye Orengo Maremu may so rest in peace, is David Majanja.
Oh, David Majanja was actually a good. Na koletega sugusiga for 2-3 years.
He wasn't assassinated.
No. Majanja was one person. Oligotara utakanonya security. Onyekera renge kisiga. I was chair Law Society by then. It just come to our function. Never no muchango, wa matanga, umuranaro rualete, uchitaga sira. He was the one that really supported us. It was just an operation that went bad. I don't know what the family is doing about it, but he was such a nice guy and a brave judge.
So like there are some those few malls that you can say, oh, you tulifeel alitupenda, stood with us.
Yeah. Justice Majanja was a brave one. And you know, you so you know, some of these cases are done pretty well. Law Society the public interest litigation committee, I'm a member. Go decide and then we get lawyers pro bono. File so far court ya temire Joan. Court ya temire. And you know what about Kenya batemire na barubu kurwanirira abana inchi
wakina Kasmuel Oure, I hope wanaangalia hiyo njia. Maybe
you know Kasmuel is in the streets. You go Rona Roche, your colleague Jeff go interview Mumuroli
Morana Kebaso
go interview
natuambia is the truth man right now ndo tunafollow.
Alegoteba Mohammed is Mohammed Hussein is a honest guy working for liars or something like that. Hussein Mohammed. But now that is part of it. Because now people can, it's easier rather than even sue. It's easier for Hussein to come on live TV and say, you know, that is now the freedom that we are looking at. The right of reply.
Now, there are other institutions, for instance, the Kenya National Commission of Human Rights. Maybe do you feel their impact have they played a better role in safeguarding the rights?
Yes, extremely well. Kenya Human Rights Commission and all these other ICJ, International Commission of Jurists, they rather than, you know, Kenya no matter on any vietu vya hegi buna vya chete. Abashahidi bachite bagasira abantu baitonsa chinde bakwenda babiswa so that the minute some of these institutions start working for the people, nsachinde ebako kolegasi in very difficult circumstances because ngo babale frustrated ne government mono you know when you are enforcing rights chabanto most of the time okodora ne serikali nere bwata makosa nkwaro buna banta bale korosugali ne you know umuntu akorosu bamuira mocheri batanga negali ya mutuma even identifying those people so that for me the challenges mono bago face because you guys ba kora nengia and ngo tema bale go somya abantu baito go tema kurwanirira abantu ndo what even IMLU there's independent medical legal unit alongside that especially as even the extrajudicial killing emechande uchi yaba joan mono neringa bantu baito bali gutaka wesokia don't be surprised inga bamuraba abantu ababete shot in Nairobi abantu nabatukuge mitandao totebe no twale ngororo batukurangiri bunga genda Human Rights Commission genda ipoa ulike statement okonyorange statement ya garoro ne ya mo sibiri chuka itasi bimuntu
nabare ngikwani gutata okoliki kubaka nyobara abantu tamaeti abayibuli kabisa abana you can't risk
so that you know and equally statement yeli witness protection nere area under the government so on sechindo bwabanko babororo because nkwaro chino nyine nchira abantu bale kubwatu chiba chigali kitabwati number plate ogocha koirwa so that
kuliona former MP akipiga nduru
so you can imagine informer MP Alfred Keter ogochirwa para boli go kwa bwatu you can imagine umuntu kale Madare Kware
yes
you know kubwatu goru tugochime ondeta yogo chigojali about what has happened so that again teme chande gochiyabo mono abantu bakwobwa no people come forward and no matter chinde bine kwera bire sometime chi process inkwera chiregeka umuntu tabanga tigange nenya kwirigeri ogenda you know nsachinde karutali wakanu ya because nabantamba kwati budget so that is a challenge alafu serikali nero you know serikali ne what all resources nsachinde you know even Ruto and Uhuru going to Hague was the reports ya Kenya Human Rights Commission na chichiagerete the reports were being used by the prosecutor in the Hague so bono igaba learning from experience they will want to frustrate the process kabisa so you know it's our people very often to bomtandao yoka ogende mbako batu ogo shout wawe ni watu wa kutenda pia that will really help
again on the other side what are some of the biggest challenges abananchi bakunyaragwetera in realizing their individual rights because kwanyoranga umuntu naro kinake naborochi that person angeshinda ile kesi for instance like this family narenge kurigereria chinsemo I think it was in Meru if I'm not wrong and ninkoligindo about your I'm going to forward it to you
yes
where people came online they were complaining where a family of the father and the 4 sons babekiru biara babekiru 100 years batebi kubabaga name yake you at first you know I was shocked that a family being given 100 years like how can you give them 100 but wameambiwa wagawane out of the 5 so kila mtu atachukua 2020 in the name of babu neteno monto keto bwate bitoke bironge igoro yobole man they know they are innocent but because they never had enough money they have gone so what are some of the biggest challenges okonyoru montagwetera atamaiti anajua kabisa ako very innocent but kujitetea out of that becomes so hard
again tegetangani Joan is ignorance bantu baitonse chine mbaligo chibamanya ngakibinte biko korwa noroche ndiro konyoro muntu nonye nkoti gari kisi kusandonsi umuntu abwate kinekia so chine na cha kigambero tamaitinga ubwate taito usubwate taito ya tatomino kwanyoranga nonye nchero ko ye present koti tumanyeti kwa yetiga to kurugo shahidi woisaine so sometimes ignorance usogo tamanyanga kyogokora so that yabantu baitumba gwenda kumanyanga ngaki bagwenda goshughulika wekonya ikina kigende gitangani ekende gya kabere nsachinde no butaka tundatebe bose lack of resources because nsachinde ebinte bibike you know totebenga nikina kiugolemo nabura nyole muntu tabwati nonye nikibesa 500 boseli gwe ya mago gukora research agenda go present no liyo ndo bwate bitoki na bwate
so that connection
abwate connection
akola away
so that kwanyoranga emichando eko barahisi gwasengejo yobutaka ebinde otherwise abantu baitu bamanyenga kibagwendete kwirwanirira mechande eroro bono teko bamenge bono.
Now how do you think how is the general public well informed on their individual rights?
Buna na chirega because Joan your office ya no kongakana nko ya advice we need to do a lot of this so that abantu baito bamanye some of these basic rights bamanye some of these basic rights and really to akwananga gotebinga the most important rights because na tuwale kukwandira tie constitution ye to celebrate at 14 is the rights of arrested persons kuiru koti na kwaego bond katiba gotebanga onde bwensi tali no bond unless you can do kanga compelling reasons kerororo bono so that you ndebwensi na kinsa kinda abantu nkabago kibambolinga ki muntu gete naite to muntu ngaki akora tena inda gasoka because it rikale before 2010 mada ngwale ko bond noroche witu to muntu okobaime pakikina kya okere bono but now after 2010 ekoti gatabanga ki you know there's no compelling reason you are innocent na boko soka
because in fact tuko na evidence kabisa ameua mtu even if I was not there I know this person killed this person kabisa kwa mekuigunga lazima ataenda kwanza mental testing what are you going to test mentally so kama ni mwenda wazima mumwachilie mulete ukuje what are you saying?
No actually for murder it's mandatory
mura chekio bongo usemburo
paka bachekio bongo bakole mental assessment utarasomerwa amashtaka utarasomerwa amashtaka paka ekoti establish no banga no muntu no banayo umujumbe naro liyo so muntu juzi no nyana na mental assessment manya kole dukoti because sometimes kila mtu anajua just for record because when you talk about mental assessment okay ndo sibwe na bogocha na bogo gendo plead against because the defense in error ku insanity mental insanity incapacity otebenga kwa manyete because valimo you know tebengo mwana moke valimo teriko manyagenteo para ekonyo le valime chiro rustichi yaga base kulia matoka abandi kurukando gabo abandi basi mungeine valimo toko yekorera kende no so that is why it's necessary to do mental assessment no.
But now ekere mandamana igajenzi achagite there is this video of this young lady Hanifa ya trended ekera atendere to musigali abwate flag kabisa kama I know my rights, I'm fighting for my rights, I'm fighting for your rights, and even the gentleman who was behind him was like we are serious like what are you saying? Maybe what are some of the efforts chanya kuirua so kunyara ku educate people their rights, you know? It was so bold, kila mtu alikuwa like wow, this is beautiful, this is nice, you know? If someone can stand, especially a lady na asimame pale amwambie niguze baba, you know, it was like hey, we are serious.
Joan, I think in twekarotu wakinetigu etu abwate nonyana abaiboli tima dia generation kyo nje abwate my mom oli ole goita gokolera na indo goita onya tuli kolera ogoita na so those are the kind of parents tu abwate so that you obwete authority ngabono kwalemire kuchikotenero musigari so that this generation of our children that we are raising now is a different generation utahakenjereri tware goitwa because in such indokonyoro omwana you know they just get every generation now so baletiro bole mugete bolibo tare ngororo because noranga ki in generation yane because I was watching on the 25th of June bale meteboli abasigari baroro bagoso a parliament you know that is batao etia masasi
maybe you know some of us could bujificha tu sisi tunaangalia like that's it
no nini office yane na chite igoro because my landlord ya wate a flat roof no to kuligere likorugo
Yes.
ko uli saziria atiru
Kwale
tia
kumbe
gas
na-
ai kwe bisa lakini amamura no bare
Wata ile
ba
kabisa.
choka
Wata
so
kanaona
so
tunaona
so that
naye.
for us
Uh-huh.
I think ntoko nyara go complain of course challenges in chiro but tuasukire a big step because riri kale riri bondi etarenge Joan that lady you know na bale kubwatu no buja bono there are cameras everywhere
Yes.
to buja riri kale camera chitare ngororo simi
Nabo disappear, undaza maitia
tayo
sawa
maite
chiete.
social media teye go trending a free ao kobune ya bono iga you know kero muntu ukumia riri kale babo raile bale kubwatu kwacha kumanya after 1 month
Ati alikuwa amepigwa.
bono yokuwa bwatiru within 1 hour
Tunajua uko wapi.
kila mtu anajua
Tumetrack mpaka gari.
mpaka gari
Yes.
ishapigwa picha inajulikana mpaka wale askari wenye
Tumezoom uso alafu
wanashika
unajua
watu
they'll give even your profile where you live, your wife, your children. We learn it online.
yeah hizo vitu hazikuwa so there is a lot of progress yawe to when the worker Nyasaye and you know the makers of our constitution inga mbuyamono you know it can't be in a society perfect but ekemaene especially bali tu akinete a little bit earlier kwa Gen Z barabona bado baranya go complain batenga bintu mbiri buya because ndio tu abete raised I think kwa loyal servants ndatebe go gatobe ye serikali nyo lete ngo soma tu alenge ndo ko kunga loyalty pledge ngakiri ya moi you know
Assembly pale every day we used
Assembly.
to take the loyalty pledge.
Yeah. One to talk about trained, kwa loyal servants, loyal to you know without questioning. Chibesa na chiwa nini you know projects ebinte biba umurira bawo koranga bono nga imetengwa na rura chire ibe no gari abutanga MTC ngoro siku yale ngoro foundation stone yakaba launch litikale bole mumbu alenge kabirogo so we just need to appreciate the positives and for me omboli this constitution and the generation that we are raising na tuteba challenges inchiro already ne kabiro kwala gotaba kia Meru there's been a lot of progress alafu from the courts Joan ama tukaya buna court non-tebye case nambe kia Meru I can get it na bongo kuligeli nonyere bintu bibire file iye tare ngororo kale because we have again to kanga e-filing ama tukaya so that because of the networks chiroro and the systems chire in place bono igana ontebi kina kendi gion sikere koti ele yon Kenya na bongo checking whatever the parties Ochoki versus Joan egento bago saba neke ikina gia chire koti gatatokane and this is the position yes
Okay.
so there is a lot of those developments
Umenifanya nimeenda kutafuta the loyalty pledge
Yes.
I pledge my loyalty to the president and the nation of Kenya.
Yes.
My readiness and duty to defend the flag of our republic.
Yeah.
My devotion to the words of our national anthem.
Yeah.
My life and strength in the task of our nation's building.
again egetangani nga I pledge my loyalty to the president
And the
president bone che ko ngaine etebe nga sasa nimetenga na hata tebe tingoro siale university Nyamira seito amongst other things te chaka you know how do you pledge your loyalty to that such a person oyo ko ngaina oyo taligo keep promises you know now those are the
Where
things
the problem begins.
those are the things that messed us up a generation
being in a
ago.
situation where
Yeah.
we see our president as the liar, you know, kila mtu tukisikia tu amesema kitu we're like, and do you believe that?
That is
Like ekero mura even says okiri kwandre kende kwamenya kwa hiyo abantu bakubora ni na ukameni hiyo. You believe
it never
that?
used to happen. Did it because Moi did one Kisi TV njale ngororo these other stations were not there okuboka mambi kwanyora KBC
Yes.
Moi no are ne bicha ya ina ero konyora asale nge kanisa Kabarak.
Yes.
So that you know we were raised to believe anything na riri wana maite the kind of exposure bono iganjale ngororo so we assumed bono igatwaro the presidents are dying maite no nyenke nyate karale kwa you know people still asaba mubegete parliament yali ngabono naroche na maite bindo bigendelete we never believed that even these presidents die or they leave office So ayo maithenga moinere president miaka yonspi.
In fact, I know it was in August,
Things have really changed now. Yes.
It was on August 22nd is when Jomo Kenyatta died, and it was the most scariest moment for Kenyans.
Yes.
The president is dead. Everybody was scared about what to do. But Albert Kirera following from Igonga Base, Asante Sana. Marita Josh following live from Kisii County, learning massive wisdom from the working constitution himself, Senior Ochoki. Gukawa Ushago, comedian, anasema watching live Kurubo Kinami village. Jeria Kirubo, agotevanga listening from Manama Bahrain Kingdom all the way to my home Kisii County. Frederick Lugari Kena, Kenny, agotevanga nice one wakili, Ochoki Wilkins. Asante sana, begane gatia bali bagane tukubwati bagotuma.
Mroyo koroku Josh Maritano mu wakili omutindi sana ale. Inche ko organize yo moletega nere working constitution. I'm humbled. He's a sharp young man. Kusito Nyamira ni mama yetu. No.
Ai mimi tangu gavana naombe nini?
Penye watoto wanapatiwa.
Unaogopa kusema kutoka Nyamira bana.
You know your mom. Your mom is your mom. You are not going to the Togokana mama.
Tujatoka kule tunaogopa kusema tunaogopa.
Nje no mondo Nyamira. Na chitekisi. Kueligeli no to kwerwanerera. You know some things are embarrassing, and you know we'll call him out and tell him.
Imagine Kumba kitchen.
You know, these are people that have 10, 15 billion shillings on source revenue ngo choga barabanto chiduka gweta ngo nyora bali chibesa, and you know health is devolved.
Mama kombe laundry.
Manya kusaba wall ayo mogaka nyalibo nkwago sidari yake go ngwatobo soku. Advisor chia. And you know another bad thing, I think he was playing to the people there, because the governor meets the president all the time. Those are the kind of things. We know our budget and the projected increase of the budget with the time, so that projects so that for me, some of those things, of course, ngocha bale go address yabantu, but yekaromoko and the state house mwekaransa. Those are the things mwenda no nyani no share, because Ruto is an easy person, and I'll praise yomo heshimiwa kurokunyalivo. Yuntali nyalivo mnyamoko. When he went to Kiabanyaruno yalenge Nyamirali, alilia vizuri, you know, as a leader should do. Akalera akatabaga Toi University. Paka akapushe president wata.
University na wepo hapa.
That is how you need to do your backroom thing. And I think that is one guy that really did well in his, you know, the way he presented his things. And even mobilization.
Yes.
That is the bad thing about our politics. Until 2 months ago,
Exactly.
But right now, the kind of reception, Narora Migori news, Vanteba Chete Chigorofa Bakuli, Paka
from Chini
Pakaju, you know,
and Migori is one of the places kama kuna maandamano against the president utapita. You want
to wait. Because even courts the demonstration because into the group Migori locals. Matters will be mentioned tomorrow, because there is nothing which will happen. So that is the nature of our politics. You know, my governor was elected by our people.
Yes.
There is nothing that we can do about it. It's democracy. It's democracy.
Na hata alisema wenye walimpigia kura kama mzazi wako ana ID nini voting card hapa enda tafuta basari Maria anapiga kura. And people are okay with that.
Lakini you know what happens? I think is being honest.
Yeah.
Because in sechinda banasiasa ngo nyagotonga ina balenga ninche ngo ibasa ninche ngumbu yo muntu ko selling.
Yenda suwa gitekura.
Yenda suwa gitekura.
Now, as we celebrate the 14 years of the 2010 Constitution,
yes.
maybe what future developments do you hope to see in the area of individual rights?
So far we are pretty good, but you know, government has not really been complying. There's been a lot of disobedience because for some reason you will get that into our orders, the Constitution provides for a lot of freedoms, including the right to picket. All of us have been talking about, and the Gen Zs have been raising it, assemble, picket, and you know, present whatever petitions as authorities. Government in Ghana to understand, but overtrained, they went to change, so that they also learn some basics of the Constitution about the rights. But you know, as long as no one is doing really anything, of course demonstrations, for example, have taken over by other people, other interests, but they need to be enlightened in what the Constitution entails, because it's a very, very progressive one. By understanding, you know, abasigari by understanding, because eserikali, number one, it could respect the orders that come through the courts, based on chapter 4, number 1. Order gegocha, eserikali comply, noroche. Abasigari, because the individual rights ordinarily are just the personal rights. Right of an arrested person, the very, very basic things. Right yomuntu korange koegu mwakili ache kurobwatire, you know, kono yere ngomuntu okubwatu kwaru to SL, even cops omwakili okugenda robago sel batabanga pana huyu muoni, you know, that is a human right. That is a basic right. You have a right to represent. You have a right. Na inengo tabia bantu baito every day. Kero musigari akurangiri to the station. Takuli ke statement. Motavinge katibango ntavire inkire. Onye kubwate kina kire court. You don't have to force me to write a statement. Na bantu baito every other day. Eba teto kogenda ngo musigari ontavi ngo mbwato kale tigandi ke statement iki kyalenge. You don't have to write a statement. Those are the basics so that as we move forward, as you know, we just make sure that
okay, nima tenga no pakere kuminyoka kotini ne biro bya rongere kigima, maybe next time tochetubange tokwanire what it takes to amend the referendum,
the Constitution.
You go to referendum because bonika basaiba sokere ba kwa na Gen Z wana collect signatures and everything. We're going to talk about the procedure because it seems like individual rights tumeanza kuzitambua sana.
You know, for a long time our people were never really involved in politics. But one to wachake whatever, you know. And for me, I'm one of those people who always believed in a tingo talaz mambo mwana siasa manya wakonya abantu onye ne kanisa na banko enda sito nyamira nchange bo sandon sikisi, we fundraise for churches. I can help pay fees for mwana utagete. I don't need to be an MP, you know. I don't need to be an MP, you know, or matanga or support you. But now our people are getting more enlightened, and I hope that we are going to elect good leaders, because bunagusiga nintu abantu tokutaka abantu baitu na bakutaka kubolie kerogo in any position, any constituency kusingo nyore what abantu commit to 30 bataito kubolie kerogo, so that abantu baitu baligerelinga who amongst these people totige go seru kolitwale go seru totige uboke nyomba nga
Njokoza na iko tuseme ngenda sabu.
tutige gwakana no governor nga munyalibali so mugitutu we vote people that can deliver.
Okay. Now maybe also kunyara gokorera you as a lawyer na very kunyara gokorera many cases mostly zenye zina involve the individual rights. There's some cases maybe I'm not allowed to mention, but what inspired you to focus on individual rights? Because you watu hatuaminingi. The other day I was having a teacher here from Kupet aliniambia, right now tumepatiwa lawyer, we don't talk about right to tetea because these people anajua mtu ameoa kabisa, umemwambia ukweli umeoa, but anafika pale aseme hakuoa. You know for us as lawyers there is that misconception kuneyo kwa na bononga. We defend murderers. I will be honest with you, because in a legacy, when someone kills someone, sometimes unless it's in keritoko kamade kenyene mali sa forethought, but even then that person is entitled to legal representation. At least abuno ekero ore either mwana omuntu minor under 18 years, kusobwa the capital offense like murder. Ntobwate ngene tokoro kanga pro bono committee koti gali no entitled nsachinda no nyanye nyinge ruetoro ronga I offer free services to those that are charged with murder. Talinga ngo akano yani go konyo umuntu because each case ingabata different circumstances. Ochote bali tangani I'm guilty ili akabereka I'm not guilty. Murder toko kwananga no guilty. But you saw hata kale kasichana, there is this young girl who killed nani daktari kutoka hapa Kemeraga kule ndeke umbuga. The young girl wakati kuna video venye anatoroka kwa nyumba and everything, ameshikwa akasema I'm guilty, yes nilimua. Then after a week or two kurudi kotini I'm not guilty. You know the implications of pleading guilty to murder or nabogosibu because the penal code provides for death. By hanging kwa rajo though it's never implemented in Kenya. Let it go but there could be exceptions. Maybe ngwe defend yarenge, maybe she was gravely provoked and other defenses so that ekero ikana botokuligera linki kiabete umuikwa uro muntu so that let no one really come and atavenga wakili na bantawe because they defend murderers and other things. Ko koratole binte binge sana. No defend ye made ye koronko genda join ye kanisa. Kwanda ngeri bona bono ni mide chigurupu gabo senirenga. Tindara mondo ko kananga chirwe chibere bosesa to chiochoki no mondade te to ite to mondo ngane chibesa chimbe. I'm a professional. Na bonga Ronaldo lyo bocheso mupira. Yeah, so what happens, when you have this position, you get a lot of people, including very prominent ones sometimes, what I understand the thing so that for me, I want to just ensure, and we look up to senior great lawyers. There's an old man dwelling in a conference, Tokoroka Feroz Noroji. These are the people, the young tax, that other age, the 90s, the Karuas, the Orengos, the Mirugi Kariukis, and such. Those are the people that we grew up looking at and saying, they never really fought. They sacrificed for a bigger cause. Aminwa, this senior of ours called Aminwa, who's strong at mid-80s, still fighting for Jimmy Wanjigi in Amarakoti. And there are some of these things. Bankers guy. There are these other things that we just say, let's go and fight for. Jimmy Wanjigi, you saw him with Karua coming to court to address. Kalonzo coming to address the court and others. Some of these things are about ensuring that if it can happen to Jimmy Wanjigi or what a court order, then what is going to happen to some of these people who see that? So some of us come up and say, All right,
And I've been lucky. I've got a number of maybe clients to some extent that have given me a little prominence by way of the nature of the matters to quality. Even though konya tu umuntu iga kwa clip umuntu manyango choki nalo ronde teregasi chini.
Kuruigare erikontwe kamaena omwane kangu murusinga goteba noare nanti tobosemi agendrete konyora ase studio rutnya
arichibicha namangana atabwenereti asabana igo noganiti
sisi kama Gen Z tutaitumia vizuri. Now, you know, a time unimekumbuka ukisema how your mother used to beat you. I remember there is this statement that once came from my mother and idaitoka kwa akili yangu. She said, babanko goitoku na nengenda aliechera ngoboka saa 2 bangero ngori.
Yes.
Bango bokomera burugera mauga na ira na nesibi na kwa mutabasi ndide yaka.
My fans and my fellow singers were
you know, I tell my son that my mother the Bolivaro Ganga Baba.
Happy Sabbath and Evans chairman from Omabera State. Mission Brothers hey Ivoni Emily kutoka Karonga mambo kwa Roko Pages
okomoto ganyera indubone karo otogonyire yarengera
mimi tell me we na ananiambia we ununa
kwa mukani it's not healthy okay chiwa you know we need to do less on that
I know a Sunday just like
even those ones that bago chakega siga abantu bachakira batabanga law has become a flooded profession. Law is like football nonye naye Johanna bago soka iska to akumupira football but there is the special people, the Messis, the Ronaldos and the who that will just come out and shine and be good. So that it's all about you offering sacrifice or working hard. And of course, in Tubonegasi, Joan, ngenda office ya file chichire, I'm trying to crack up my mind on what you'll just have to continue working hard and reading, and there's nothing as enjoyable. You might talk you go enjoy then, you know, there's nothing. In Chabona, I'll still use the example of football and saying for me, I enjoy going to court, you know, sitting and waiting and doing what. It's a great thing. I'll just tell them to work hard and offer, and it's not really about the money. It's about ensuring justice because in Sachinde you can get all the money but lose, you know, your life or whatever. Sometimes I feel very happy because for me I say just pray for my kid. Because, you know, I can be a big person, but I have never turned out to be something else. So that for me, I'll, just the blessings, you know, that is good enough, not necessarily the cash. So to my younger colleagues, I'll tell them just work hard. There are not so many of us. I need no Joan no when to go in the law school or soon.
Say hi to Akili watching live from Canada. Mandena whatever say hi to Senior Choki tuned in from Washington DC. Invite us together with Wakili when I come back to Kenya.
Hawana bro. No. Havunga ite no vale nyamataro. Hi Anita, hi Mandeno.
Wako
kwani abantu sijui penye. Wako Canada sana. Have a good time guys. In Africa ntumbi yetu. Meta bana wako enda Canada 1 week. ba change accent.
Yes.
Bono.
That is being a Kenyan. But thank you so much, Asokunyara Gocha. And when you're talking about justice, I hope we'll get justice like this.
Naroche, that is a brave magistrate, so
Yeah.
Honorable Nzioki. He was the head of anti-corruption court,
Yes.
Milimani commercial, one in charge Ororo. He was a very, very brave guy to sentence the governor like he did, because I know there was a lot of
Nalimnyima bail bana. Jamaa melala
because
ndani.
now again twali kumulinera bail that offense yakaroro 83 million igali it entails a fine 3 times of that amount, so that yakaroko mo convict a fine yakoba 80 times. I think that is 249 million.
Yes.
Agochikomoake fine and amosive, but you know that guy is going to appeal.
Na system itacheza kama system.
System inaweza cheza kama system. So let's wait and see how
Mimi
it
tangu
goes.
Henry Rotich akue free, hakuna evidence. Na tuko mpaka na Rory na Kibwareri. In fact ni kama nilimuona akitoa. Ai. System
System.
But thank you so much.
Thank you.
Also Kunyara Gocha, it has been amazing. It has been fun. Nimejifunza mawili matatu. Next time we'll still do the same. Because lazima tusomea abantu lichiko. Wako genda pakwani whatever case unaenda kumulikia leo.
Asante.
Kuwa mkweli.
Asante.
Thank you so much Mancho Radio KCTV korona cyane tiko minibire cyamambia wekera boni gando tene chinse isato na ibire cyabande igoro korendele mihirizo wakili. Thank you Director Mtonga Kenya asokwene kimina kibicha na mariugi abere kunyara kumwikera omurigereria okisitivye senchira ibyo bwekerano, and of course tinkweva gwakire tinya nengima bali banyare kwene kimina onsi abere kunyara gwekerana emambia rero asenchira ibyo bwekerano twara lituko ligia tiganchenko kanelia maya lutke ligalia rero lia Alhamis. Mambi is a Friday togochikobana Diana Morande mo. Thank you so much nyasayo yo twara lituko ligia. Thank you so much.
Thank you.